In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to import an existing project into Lovable. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect your GitHub account to Lovable and quickly locate your existing project inside your Lovable workspace. I'll keep it straightforward and share a few helpful tips along the way so nothing slows you down. First, head to the Lovable homepage and open your dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you do in Lovable. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your projects and settings without any interruptions. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you'll know where to return after connecting your code host. Next, click on Settings. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or along the sidebar, depending on your screen size. This is where you manage your account and integrations, and it's the key to bringing your code into Lovable securely and reliably. Inside Settings, choose the GitHub option. This is where you connect your GitHub account so Lovable can see your repositories. Click to connect and follow the prompts to authorize access. You may be asked to confirm which repositories or organizations Lovable can access. Grant access to the ones that contain the project you want to import so it appears later when you search. If you ever need to adjust those permissions, you can return here to update the connection. Once the link is complete, you're ready to find your project. Now go back to the Lovable homepage and scroll down. You're looking for the section that highlights projects and repositories available to you. Scrolling ensures you see the full set of options and any shortcuts Lovable provides after the integration is in place. From there, click on Browse All. This opens the full project browser, which is the easiest way to explore everything Lovable can access from your connected GitHub account. It's designed to scale well if you have a lot of repos, so you won't have to dig manually. In the project browser, use the search bar or apply filters to find your existing project. Try searching by the exact repository name and use filters like owner, organization, programming language, or recent activity to narrow things down. If your repository doesn't appear, double check that you connected the correct GitHub account and that permissions include the repo or organization you need. A quick refresh after updating permissions can also help the list update. And that's it. You've connected GitHub, returned to your dashboard, opened the browser, and located your existing project inside Lovable. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.